Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport. May K. Bueller here for Carolina Aircraft. Now you know Carolina Aircraft is the #1 reseller of prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas, and I have a beautiful 1981 Baron 58 to show you. Now listen up, if you've always wanted to be a partner in an aircraft, for whatever reason you didn't want to be the sole owner, this is a wonderful opportunity. We have available 2 1/4 shares. So in other words, there will be 4 owners. We already have 2. We're looking to sell 2 more shares. This is a great value and it's a great opportunity. People always ask me, do you know somebody who wants a partner in an aircraft? Well, there are 2 slots available on this one. There's lots to love here, so come on, let me show you. Baron 325 Delta Charlie has a wonderful engine conversion I really think you're going to like. So this is the Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine conversion. It has the DeShannon baffle system. Now on both of these engines, only 197 hours since factory reman. Now when it comes to your props, you've got 3-blade Hartzell hot props, about 778 hours on the right-hand prop since overhaul, and on the left side, 354 hours since overhaul. One of my favorite features about this nose baggage compartment, check this out. You've got the spring thing there so you can load your baggage without any fear of getting banged in the head, and you can put up to 300 pounds in here. Talk about a trusty, iconic airplane, you cannot beat the Baron. Now this one is nicely equipped. You can see we've got the full de-ice boots. And when it comes to taking you places for business, for family, for vacation, for fun, lots of fuel to get you there because we've got the long range fuel tanks. That means 194 gallons of usable fuel. Now the aircraft is a 1981 model, just under 4,600 hours on the airframe since new. It has stainless steel screws and fasteners, and the paint is in pretty good condition. Now this was redone in 2010. Handsome paint scheme, as you can see, overall Matterhorn white with black and gold striping. Of course, the Baron has the ever popular big double cargo doors for easy entry of your passengers and loading your things. The useful load for this aircraft, 1,772 pounds. Now when it comes to your passengers, they can sit in flexible seating. Either it can be club seating like this, or we can face everybody forward, or let's say you want to remove a seat or stow it. You don't even need any tools. All you do is pick up on a bar and pull a pin, and presto, we can remove the seat. So come on in and check out the interior. You are going to spoil your passengers. Check out this beautiful beige leather seats. We've got beautiful beige carpet. We've got beige and tan sidewalls, all in beautiful condition. A wonderful executive writing desk, and this was replaced in 2013. All right, let's take a look at the nicely equipped panel for Baron 325 Delta Charlie. So starting on the pilot side, you've got your standby attitude indicator, airspeed indicator, information up here, enunciators for your autopilot, and you can shoot a fully coupled approach. Information up here for your Bendix King DME. You do have an automatic direction finder on board, your turn coordinator, of course your flight director and attitude indicator, HSI, altimeter, and vertical speed indicator. Now down here you've got your #2 nav. You've also got a radar altimeter, and check out your autopilot. And that's a King KFC 200 autopilot, and that of course talks to your slaved HSI and your yaw damp. And on your center console you've got your tachometer, your manifold pressure, your fuel flow gauge, and of course your load meters and your fuel gauges. And on the co-pilot side, you've got your audio panel, and that's a King KMA24 audio panel with your 3 light marker beacons. You've also got radar on board, and this is a Bendix RDR230 color radar. Underneath that, our #1 GPS nav and comm, and that's a Garmin 530 with WAS GPS nav and comm, and you've got your information for any airport you want to fly direct to, fuel planning page, and your nearest airport all the way to the right. Now underneath that you've got your #2 nav. You've also got your ADF, and that's a King KR87 ADF, and here's your transponder, and that's a Garmin GTX 330 ES with ADS-B out and Mode S traffic. And over on the extreme right side of the co-pilot side, you've got your instrument air, your prop amps. We've got more engine instruments, de-icing pressure, and you're going to enjoy this. This is a JPI EDM 700 digital fuel flow gauge. Nice feature about this airplane, you've got dual control wheels on this Baron, plus co-pilot brakes. And on those hot days, you're going to love this, electric air conditioning. We all love to fly with blue skies and bright sunny days. Rosin sun visors come in handy. That way you can see traffic, but we don't have to worry about the glare. So this 1981 Baron 58 is looking for 2 additional partners to join the other 2 owners. So in other words, it will be 4 total owners. You guys will be partners. We have 2 quarter shares available. 2 owners right now. We have available 2 slots for 2 additional owners. You will own a quarter of it for only $67,000 per quarter share. This is a great value. You can see it's a handsome aircraft. It's got a lot going for it. Don't forget we've got that engine conversion, the IO 550 300 horsepower engine conversion, Duchenin baffle system. Only 197 hours on the engine since reman. Lot to love. You've got color radar, color altimeter, you've got the autopilot, we've got air conditioning. Lots going on here to take this airplane to your dream destination. All right, we are based here in Greensboro, North Carolina. The airplane is based here at Signature Flight Support at Piedmont Triad International Airport. So you love the airplane, you want to own a quarter share. Ideally, you need to be local or at least close enough to be able to enjoy the aircraft. So I invite you to contact us right away at Carolina Aircraft. You can call us at 336-665-0300. Of course, check us out online at carolinaaircraft.com, but don't wait because this is an outstanding value. And again, we're only looking for 2 new owners to be part of 4, so you will get a quarter share. All right, I look forward to meeting you in person here in Greensboro. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.